I don't think this is supposed to happen when you close your laptop. This is definitely not supposed to happen. That's bad. It closes like this. Oh, this thing is like falling apart. Look at this. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my god. Just, let's just close that. Looking good. It's definitely just, it still turns on too, surprisingly, but it's a little bit messed up. Just a little bit messed up. Oh shit, I almost dropped my phone. If we open that up. Or maybe it doesn't turn on. No, see, it turns on. Yeah, I know. It surprisingly does turn on. I think the battery's almost dead, though. Yeah, keyboard's coming up. That's okay. It's a little bit dirty. Alright, there we go. It's going to shut off. And when we close it, works good. Great quality from Dell. Like I said, as always, great quality from Dell.